Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI, specifically Claude AI. Claude is an AI assistant developed by OpenAI, a leading research organization in the field of artificial intelligence. Claude AI is a multilingual chatbot that can understand and generate text in over 100 languages. It's designed to provide helpful and informative responses to a wide range of questions. Whether you're looking for information on the latest tech trends, need assistance with a project, or just want to chat about your day, Claude is here to help. What's really impressive about Claude is its ability to generate text that is both human-like and informative. It's trained on a vast amount of data, allowing it to understand context and generate responses that are relevant and helpful. So if you're looking for a versatile and intelligent AI assistant, give Claude a try. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech updates.